Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email in Craigslist. Keep watching the video till the end. To change email on Craigslist, firstly open your Google search. Type in Craigslist and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on the first link shown on the page. Log into your account if you are not logged in. It will take you to the home page of Craigslist account. Click on human icon at the top right corner of the screen. On the next page, tap on settings. Click on change option right next to the email address section. Enter your email address and password associated with your Craigslist account and tap on login. Now to change your email, enter your new email address, confirm your new email address by re-entering it and tap on submit new email address. This is how you can change your email address on Craigslist account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.